Hello, it's Lucas from Mercedes-Benz the V-Sport, and today we have a really exciting new video as we've got the brand new C-Class that's just landed. This is the 220d Estate with the premium pack on it, and one of the first things that caught my eye were the wonderful new star chrome pins in the front grille. This car also has the digital light LED headlights, which are the most advanced available on the new C-Class. I think they really do look great as well. And this being the AMG line, we got the most aggressive styling available as well, so really does set itself apart on the road and really does look fantastic there as well. There's a brand new colour, spectral blue, which I think works really nicely with the chrome elements on the car, but also with these lovely 19-inch multi-spoke alloys, which I think really look like some turbines, so look very cool indeed. Then coming around the rear of the car, we've got a new LED rear light design, which I think just sets it apart on the road. They really do look absolutely fantastic in the flesh here. Opening up the boot, we've got some increases in space in here. So you've got 490 litres now in here and 1,510 litres when you fold forward those rear seats, as you can see just there. This is a 30 litre increase over the previous C-Class, so just that much more practicality and incremental gains there as well. On the actual low cover as well, you've got a little net that can separate the rear seats from the low compartment on the Estate, just keeping everyone safe as well. Now coming around, we have keyless entry, so you put your hand in the handle to unlock it and brush it against the back to lock it. But as you can see on the rear seats, we've got new seat designs and really looking fantastic with loads of legroom in there and ISOFIX points on both the outer two seats. And on this model, we've got a lovely armrest for both those passengers as well. And just coming into the front, you can see the part that really is going to set it apart, the two screens in front of the driver and as the multimedia display. I'm going to cover that in more detail in a few moments, but really looking great there. You can see the new front seat design as well, more bolstered and actually cleverly without a separated headrest, which I think really does look quite cool. So what I'm going to do is just open up the bonnet to have a look in there, and then we'll jump in the car. So now that I've opened up the bonnet, we can see the lovely new C220d engine. Now this is truly revolutionary, as it now is a mild hybrid, as it has the 48 volt onboard electrical system. Now this means that you should return about 10% better miles to the gallon. It has a boost function, meaning that it has 200 brake horsepower and 440 newton meters of torque, which will get you to 60 in just 7.4 seconds and will top out at 150 miles an hour and will get 60 miles to the gallon. So now that I've actually jumped into the front of the car, we can see the most radical of changes to the C-Class. We've got the wonderful floating display in front of the driver, but we have this lovely 11.9 inch screen but as a multimedia system. Now it's hugely easy to use. You just prod what you're wanting to operate, so navigation, then just clicking where to. We'll bring up the keyboard so that we can just select a postcode or go into previous destinations or favourites in there. We can connect up to two phones simultaneously. Just click connect device. It is so easy to do these days. And in radio, we've got a huge number of options in our FM, DAB and AM ranges as well. Sliding across, we have media where we can play any music from our phone, apps and comfort as well, where we can actually adjust our ambient lighting. So you just swipe along like so to select through the whole of the colour range, and you can actually see it is changing along with me. And we have plenty of multicolour modes, including previous favourites such as Red Moon, but also new ones of Ultramarine and Venice Pink. Now as you can see, it actually wraps around the front passengers really nicely and just provides that extra little feeling of luxury in this C-Class. We also have new vent designs, which I think really do look fantastic, and they shine up with the ambient lighting very nicely in there indeed. And talking of climate control, we can adjust that all from the screen here. Nice and easy to use, really, very intuitive. Opening up the cubby, we have a wireless charger in this premium, as well as a USB Type-C port and a couple of cup holders with various different sizes possible to fit in there. Opening this up, we've got a lovely little cubby in the armrest as well. Then we've got the indicator stalk, which I think is a lovely little touch, having it all in black. And then coming up to the steering wheel, we have touch-sensitive operations for the main screen, as well as accepting and declining calls. And on the other side over here, you can see I've been playing with it a little bit. We got the options for the actual driver's display screen. So you can have plenty of different screens in there, completely different styles, including sport and navigation, as you can see. Personal favourite is navigation in there, and all of our climate, cruise control and speed limiter options in there as well. Drive select up on the side as usual, and when we go into reverse we can see the 360 camera as well, which just makes life so much easier when you are parking, just being able to see everything around you. Just popping it into park with the button at the end. Then we've got fully automatic, electric front seats, as you can see here. Now, just like the S-Class, they no longer move, but you just push them in the direction that you're wanting, along with memory functions and heated seats. Upgraded sound system with those new speakers just in there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Lucas. You can get me on 01323 465 028 or by calling into the Mercedes-Benz of Eastbourne dealership. This has been the C220d Estate in Spectral Blue, and I really hope you've enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.